A disease is a condition that upsets the proper functioning of one or more parts of the body. Diseases affect all living things, including plants. Diseases can be communicable or non-communicable. Communicable diseases are those that spread from one person to another. Non-communicable diseases do not spread from one person to another. Viruses and bacteria cause many diseases, most of which are contagious. Contagious diseases spread by direct contact. Non-communicable diseases are the result of malfunctioning of any part of the body, such as disturbances of the endocrine system. Diabetes, arthritis, and heart attack are non-communicable diseases. Infections are caused by microbes or microorganisms. These are small living things that can be seen only with a microscope. Microbes can be viruses, bacteria, protozoa, or fungi. Viruses are the smallest type of microbes. Diseases caused by viruses are polio, chickenpox, smallpox, German measles, rabies, hepatitis, and so on. Bacterial infections cause diseases such as typhoid, diphtheria, tuberculosis, cholera, and pneumonia. Protozoa is a microbe that can cause amoebic dysentery, malaria, and sleeping sickness. Fungi can cause diseases. Diseases spread by air are called airborne diseases. Tuberculosis is spread from the infected person through tiny droplets of saliva when the person coughs or sneezes, and by direct contact, such as using the infected person's towel, cup, or spoon. It usually affects the lungs. Hospitals generally have a separate TB ward. Flu is another airborne disease. Its symptoms are fever, cold, and cough, and general body pain. Pneumonia is also an airborne disease. Its symptoms are inflammation and acute congestion of the lungs, difficulty in breathing, and fever. Drinking polluted or dirty water can lead to a variety of diseases such as cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, and dysentery. These affect the digestive system and are more common in the rainy season. Flooded streets and blocked drains lead to pollution of water. Some diseases such as malaria are spread by the bite of insects such as mosquitoes. They bite an infected person and suck in the microbes. When they bite a healthy person, they inject the microbes into that person. The best way to prevent malaria is not to allow mosquitoes to breed near places of residence. Spraying insecticides and not allowing water to stagnate controls mosquito breeding. Dengue is also spread by mosquitoes. Immunization is the process by which people become resistant to certain diseases. People become immune to diseases in two ways. If human beings catch an infectious disease, their body learns to produce antibodies to fight, so they are quite unlikely to get the same infection again. The second method is by vaccination. Vaccination means injecting a vaccine containing harmless versions of the microbe into our body, so our body learns to fight them. Vaccination or inoculation protects us against those diseases. Babies are now routinely given BCG injections within the first few days of birth for protection against tuberculosis. DPT injections against diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus are also given within 6 months of birth. Polio vaccine is given orally. Booster doses are given later.